talk about the clickers from The Last of Us because the more I think about these things, the more medically concerning they are. The infected in The Last of Us aren't your typical apocalyptic creatures. They're humans who are being completely controlled and remodeled by a fungus. The wild part is the cordyceps fungus is actually real. In real life, cordyceps fungi usually infect like insects and it hijacks their behavior, spreads through the host body, and bursts out. Which is exactly why the infected in this game feel really real. Clickers are actually like the third stage of infection, meaning the fungus has had usually around a year to completely reshape their host. Which is why we see the fungus has literally burst through the skull and there is no face left. So, instead of relying on sight, they have to adapt through sound. Honestly, the clicking is one of the smartest infected design details in this game, because real animals, as we know, already do this. Bats and dolphins navigate with echolocation. But some humans can do this. Blind people can even learn forms of human echolocation, using mouth clicks to understand space and distances, which is genuinely incredible. At the point where I kind of need a cowboy hat, I'm feeling a little left out, and I think I could suit a cowboy hat. What really sells the clickers for me is also the head design. The fungal growth just bursting through the skulls looks exactly like a real fungal bloom and the shelf fungi, which makes them feel less like infected people and more nature's reclaiming something completely. The posture, speed, and the way they move feels recognisably human, but it's just kind of been repurposed. Also, stalkers are an entirely different biological problem, but we're going to get to that.